What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this video, I want to talk about JasmyCoin. One, because I don't know why people think that I'm lying about my investments in Margex and the money that I'm making in Margex. Maybe it's just unbelievable. I understand that. Seeing any type of higher percentage gain, people always question it. And it's just going to happen, right? I see it all the time. And you can't answer every single question. I try to give you all the information and show you exactly what I'm gaining, what I took in profit, where my profits stand, what it's moving like. You could see it actively while I'm recording the video. And I don't understand the comments saying that I feel like he's lying about these gains. I don't know what else to do. If I'm showing you the information, what else am I supposed to do? So you can't make everybody happy. But I want to talk about JasmyCoin and why it's kind of going to plan. Everything is really going to plan right now. It doesn't mean that we're seeing it absolutely skyrocket. No, we're not seeing it skyrocket. We're seeing honestly everything in the market that is falling. The market is red. I don't know when this video will go live, and I don't know what will happen and where JasmyCoin will be at that time, because we all know that anything could change in an instant. We could see some brand new news, and then all of a sudden the market is skyrocketing. We could see no news, or and we could just see it flat. We could see it drop. We know that the market can change very, very quickly. It's very volatile. So in this video, again, I'm going to talk about JasmyCoin. I'm going to show you guys my investment and where it stands right now, what I've gained within it, and why things are going to plan. So guys, if you could hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos, I would appreciate it. Also, if you guys could check out some of the links down below, it does help out the channel. Also, if you want to check out Margex, which is a partner with the channel, feel free to do so. I've been having a lot of success with it. I know it is a riskier play than investing into the position outright, but if you are confident in your investment style, you can make money, right? It's just all about your style of investing. It's all about your level of success that you could have based on you sticking to your strategies, right? And how effective your strategy is. So feel free to check out my link to Margex down below if you guys are interested. Let's go ahead and look at JasmyCoin. If we look at the price of where JasmyCoin is, it's actually down significantly in the last 24 hours. So you're probably like, how is it going to plan? It's currently at a 10% decrease, 10.43% decrease on the day. We're also seeing it at a 2.8 cent level. $28,000 is where I stand with my million. Some people said that I'm lying about selling my million. I still have it over in Coinbase. If I go over to Coinbase and go to assets, you're going to see that I still have my 1 million JasmyCoin. Like, I can't fake that, as I just refreshed it a billion times, right? I'll refresh it again and I'll refresh it again and just keep refreshing it so that you guys can see it. Why do I have to prove myself to you? I don't know. But I do have my million JasmyCoin. I haven't sold a single bit. Still up $24,636.54. However, I have been making moves in Margex, which we will go through in a little bit. But the market cap is standing at $1.4 billion, again, down 10.44%. The volume is also down by 31%, which is at $118 million. The one thing that I'll take from this is that the volume is down significantly, but overall volume is up significantly. When you look at the volume here, it's up 113% overall, but JasmyCoin is down 31.9%. Now, what do I take as that, right? I take that we're not seeing a crazy amount of volume that's going into it. We're not seeing the exact effect of what the market's doing, because typically we would see a lot more volume. You would see a lot more of an effect and a pull down of JasmyCoin, because right now it looks like the volume is high, but the negative volume is higher, like way higher. Because obviously seeing JasmyCoin down 10.5%, seeing Bitcoin down about 5%, Ethereum down 5%, and all these other things that are down significantly, you understand what that really means, what that entails. But I have high hopes for JasmyCoin. I understand the pieces that are in place, while others may not. I do, and some others do as well. I'm not going to say everybody doesn't, because obviously people do. They see the success and they've reap the benefits. And some people were like, I wish I would have listened to you in the beginning when it was at 40% of a penny. I would have, 7x'd my money. And that's true, but it's not about listening to me. It's about listening to your gut. And if your gut told you not to buy it, then there's a reason why your gut told you not to buy it. Just make sure, you make these moves as you see fit. You probably had another opportunity, and follow through with that opportunity. Don't start FOMOing into things just because other people are making money. That's not how things work. Or it shouldn't be how things work. But anyways, I guess I have to kind of prove some things to you guys. Currently, my JasmyCoin position is at $70 worth of a gain. Know that I already took profit because I knew that we would probably see these levels to where it does come down based on history. Because history told me that we would see basically two red candlesticks, multiple red candlesticks, and we would see it kind of recover a little bit. We should see it recover before it gets to a lower high, and then getting to the 200 or the 50 moving average, and then bouncing off the 50 moving average. So seeing that, we should see it recover. It's just whether it will recover here or will recover here. And the problem is, I don't want it to recover here because then I get liquidated in this position. However, like I said, if we look at my position history, you're going to see that I took $400 worth of profit off of my $100 investment. So I know that no matter what, I am up on this investment. There's no going back. So if that does find a way to come down, I'm now looking at from $750 that I gained of the previous investment to $450 that I had here. I'm literally looking at $1,000 plus, 1,100 or 1,200 at this point dollars worth of profit. So I can take another $100 once I see it hit that 50 moving average. If it does hit that 50 moving average, which right now would be somewhere around the level of, if we're hitting the 50 moving average, it'd be somewhere around this point right here. So this high level, which would be 26, which is not a bad level to be at, that's where I would probably put another 100 in, and then try and see that, reap those benefits and those rewards as it is climbing, and then take more profit, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at there, and it's kind of all working to plan. There's two options, right? It can continue downwards, and then we could see that hit this level right there, or we can see it continue forward and then get to a point where it does hit the 50 moving average, but at a much higher point. It could be somewhere around this point here, or it could be somewhere around, seeing it around this point here where it does hit it. That's kind of what I'm looking for. And it's all going to plan, right? It's all going to plan. Everything looks pretty good there in what I'm looking for. And if it does retrace, again, I've already collected a lot of profit. If it does find a way to recover to create a newer high like this does, or not a newer high, or lower high, and then kind of still continue on that downward trend overall, creating lower highs and lower lows, right? Then I will end up profiting somewhere around here. I'll take it somewhere around the higher point of 40 cents or 4 cents. I'll take probably half of that position and then let the rest ride if it does ride, and watch that pullback happen until we do get to that point. So this is my plan. It doesn't mean that it has to be your plan, and I'm not lying to anybody. Like, I'm profiting off of these, and I'm throwing the profits that I gain into XRP, right? I'm not throwing it back into JasmyCoin. I probably could, but I'm not going to. I'm throwing it into XRP to gather 100,000 XRP, and then after that, then we'll figure out what I'm going to do with those gains. I might end up just pocketing them and just putting them in my bank account so that I can consistently gain something short term, like I did with day trading in the stock market. So anyways, things are looking good. They're not looking great for anybody that invested at this point or invested higher than where we are. But right now we are at a low level, and this is a time to buy. Is it the time to buy? It's a time to buy. If you're leverage trading, you might want to take like a 5x or 10x leverage, but if I do get down here, I'm going to take a 50x leverage. And it's probably going to be like, if it gets to a point where it's like this and it skyrockets and I have a certain amount, I'm going to find whatever low point. Whenever it hits the 50 moving average, I'm going to now take a $200 investment at a 50x leverage if I see that point there. So that's going to be my plan. Again, my plan should be completely different than your plan. You don't have to go with what I do here. But anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Definitely check out JasmyCoin, check out Margex if you guys are interested. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.